It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
As a favor, they gave someone a new title. It's because someone specialized in pediatric oncology. Medicine's a great example because the frontier medical
You cannot expect a modern labor economist to have an adequate perspective on something as complicated as the history of work. So who might have that perspective?
Work has always, in some ways, defined what people do, certainly since the agricultural revolution.
That is James Sussman. He is an anthropologist who spent time in academia and now writes books. He also once held a very unlikely corporate job, which we'll hear about later, England, a farmhouse in France, and the Kalahari Desert in southern Africa, where he's been doing field work for years.
I've been working with Bushmen since the early 1990s. The principal
Is that dog yours? Is that dog yours?
Yes, it's my dog, bro.
If you don't want your dog...
It's my dog. Shut the
He
fuck
got
up
out. We're
talking to me,
getting
bro.
our dog. That's why we're getting him. He got out of the house. At the end of the day, you following us is doing unnecessary. We already told you it's our dog, so stop worrying about it.
No, I'm not trying to... No, Can I just say something? If you don't want your dog, I could bring him... Okay.
If you don't want your dog, who said we don't want him?
Shut the fuck up talking to him. Fuck him. I'm not talking to him. Fuck him, bro. He's gonna do whatever the fuck you want to do. Talk about whatever the fuck you want to talk about. Fuck him.
Dude, what are you doing, man? Seriously, bro, what the f is wrong with you?